Welcome to Generate.net, your AI toolbox. Generate.net includes a powerful AI coloring book page generator, which has generated all of these images which you can see at the bottom of the screen. Let's scroll and see some of the images that were created using this app. As you can see, the results are diverse. It can also create mandalas if you're interested in that. Once you've become a member, you'll see that this button will say start using this app. But before you remember, it will say something like become a member or something like that. Click this button to get started. Once you click it, you'll be taken to this page. Over here, you can type anything you want. The app asks you, what can I draw for you today? So I will type baby playing with a monkey and click generate AI image now. Then in a few seconds, you'll be scrolled down to here where you have a coloring book page of a baby playing with a monkey. If I click download, the image will be downloaded. I can also refresh the image to change it to something else by pressing the refresh button in the middle. Here's another picture of a baby playing with a monkey. Just remember, every time you press this button, you regenerate the current request and will cost you 5 credits. So I'm going to press it right now once again. If you don't like it, don't download it. If you do like it, just press the download button here. If you want to change what you're drawing, just press this back to top button. Let's give it a few seconds. Here's another coloring page of a baby playing with a monkey. That sums up this tutorial video. Remember, Generate.net is a platform which has much more than just AI coloring book pages generation. Once you become a member, you can actually use all of these tools for the same price, as you can see. Click here to see all the apps. But if you're just interested in the coloring book generator, then this is definitely a very powerful coloring book page generator. Thank you for watching and see you in the members area.